Okay, Wayward Walker here with the Wayward Wagger. Jack and I are going to take a short little trip as soon as he does his business again. We are in Belchertown, and we are on the Mass Central Railroad, the railroad to nowhere. We are coming off of Route 181, and we are headed, I guess that would be east. Now, I've been on the other side of the road. I don't know if I took a video of that. I'm not sure how far this section is. Well, what's down here? You see, past where my truck is, that's where it goes there. I don't recall it as being, come on, all that scenic. So, I don't know if I took a video. I took my bike on it. And that eventually keeps going into Amherst. And you go on the section of the Lower Talk Rail Trail, which goes all the way to Northampton. So I've been on many sections of the Mass Central. I usually find some rail relics, but said I'm not sure if anything is left on here. I do know, I'm assuming that this section is going to end at the river, where there is a very tall abutment. The bridge is gone, honestly. There was a very high bridge across the river. Then it went over to, look at some guys here. Then that's in Three Rivers. Sorry, Bondsville. Hold on, I gotta pause you for a minute. All right, we're back. So this is gonna end in Bondsville at the river, which I believe is the Swift River, or the Ware River, or the Chicopee River, or some river. There was a long bridge, long high bridge that went over there, and that's gone now. We've been on the other side. I know I took a video of that. We came to that end of it. There was an old the old railroad station was on that side of the river, right at that abutment at the top of the hill. And it seems to me we may have found some kind of remnants there. Jack, since we just started this walk, Jack has to check everything out. So, anyway, we're going to keep going up here, cut right now. And there's a posted sign here, which I'm assuming means up there, field, something. Keep going this way. Jack, really? A lot of ties. There's a public trail here. I think if you saw the sign, it says no wheeled vehicles, which is why I didn't ride down here when I had my bike. Come on. My dog is getting weirder and weirder. All right, I'm going to pause you, and we'll see you in a few minutes. All right, so we're just a few feet further than we were, and your culvert down there. So seem to have some obstacles. Posted signs. Use of this trail is a privilege and not a right. And I'm very privileged to be here. I appreciate it. Thank whoever taking care of it. I don't think we're actually on the bed here though. Only because I think it's over there. You can see it's a lot free fall. But we'll see what we come to. Yeah, really a lot of stuff down there. A lot of old pine. Alright, I'm going to keep walking. And as soon as I see something, if I see anything, another tie. I don't think this, well, obviously, looking at that sign we just saw, it's not like an official kind of rail trail or anything, so I probably really hasn't any work done to it. Which is why all the ties, I think, are laying around and all the trees are here. But we're going to keep going, see what we come to. Alright, a little further up, back on the actual bed. There's all nice farms up here, like horse farms. Very nice area, but as it says, I just came across another sign that, you know, if you use it, respect it, take care of it, or they're going to close it. So, I don't like to see any places abused and closed. There's Jack. Right, Jack? Jack? Hello, Jack? You can't have any more pee left in you, Jack. So, let's see. What's this look like from the rock? Again, I'm not sure we'll find any relics. I just came across a little rusted relic, galvanized pail back there. Still not quite green yet out here, but it's getting there. We just happened to be coming by. I said, well, we're not too far, let's stop. I was actually going to stop at another place. A trail that goes along a reservoir, and evidently we were on the wrong side of the reservoir to get to the trail. So, anyway, a whole bunch of ties. Alright, so, let's keep walking. Some nice chunks of granite. Must have been used, or gonna use them, and they never did. Alright, let me shut you off again, and we'll keep walking along. Alright, we just crossed the little cross trail. As you can see, ties are still on the ground here. And cross trail, looking at all trails, my all trails map, it actually looks like it probably goes to the left, kind of winds through this, all that woods up there, and comes down to the river and follows along the river. But I'm not going to take it, well, it's kind of confusing because the signs, there's no trespassing signs, but then there's the signs about using it and taking care of it or you lose it. So for now we'll just leave that maybe for another day. See what's up there. I'm going about a little over half a mile. I think I've got about a half a mile to go to where the bridge abutment is. As I said, I have seen this bridge abutment along the road that's down the bottom of it, along the river, on the west side of the river. Oh, there's a tie plate there. I always find something here. Anyway, it is quite a hike up the hill to the abutment from the road, but I did it, and I lived to tell about it. All right, shut you off again, And Jack is full of energy today, so in kind of a rapid pace. There's something there. Lost the drill. I'll try to catch it on the way out. We've just come across something here. It's kind of far off the track, off the trail bed. Be a marker of some kind, but as you can see, there's the bed right there. Probably about 4.5 feet high. Appears to be nothing written on it. A little side trail at the trough. Not sure what that is. Interesting. Yeah, it wasn't like a sighting or anything, because it's a very small, narrow little trail. It might have been a road. Sometime. Well, keep going. See some more tie plates. Some random spikes that seem to be still stuck in the ties. And we might have a culvert here, so we'll just hold on a minute. If you can see anything. Well, there's sort of one over there, but you can't really see it with this side. I can't get down there. That's the dog. This is rock. Looks like there's a pasture over there. See it through the trees. All right, well, touch off. Back in a minute. All right, here's a whistle post. There's a little bit up there. I had to put a still picture of the video. It's like a telegraph pole that was cut down. But this is a whistle post. And it does say W for whistle on the top. I don't know if you can make it out. Where'd it go? There it is. Let me come here, Jack. Yeah, you should be able to see it up there. That means we're coming, should be coming to the bridge abutment. Some more tie plates, spikes. You know what? Right there where they are. It adds to the area. So that piece of rock up there, which was probably cut. It was probably cut from right up here. There's the edge. I'm not seeing any drill markings, but all right. Always love seeing whistle posts. Like I said, there was a, I don't think it was for the cross, well, I don't know if they had better up here. But as I said, that looks like it could be some kind of a road. And, I don't know what this was good for. It's farm related or railroad related. It looks like a little trail up there, but there's no cross. So I think the whistle post is probably for the station that's up here. You could be very far from it. Anyway, let's touch off again because we're going up a couple notches on the speed. All right, a lot of ties left here. We may be reaching the end of the road. I'm not sure. I'll get closer. I can't tell because there's a sign there, but I don't know if it's one of the same ones. It says private. Same ones I've been saying. And it looks like we can't go any further. Let's see, I wonder what this is. I've never seen this before. Alright, I'm going to shut you off. Get up there and let's take a look at it. Alright, so we turned around. That was a little street called Shea Road. I don't know where it goes. I'll probably look it up after. But that side is posted. It doesn't have the paying sign. This is no trespassing. So we are going to abide by the sign. I'm just heading back here. I just came across a little rail and snapped a picture of that for you. Not treacherous walking, but you gotta pay attention. There's all these ties. Alright, so we are going to head back to the truck. And if I come across anything, I'll put you back on. Otherwise, I'll see you when we get back there. About back at the truck. See the gate up in front of us. So, there's a couple still pictures in there. I came across that iron piece of metal, obviously. Piece of metal, looked like a grate of some kind, or I couldn't really tell. It almost looked like there was a step off like of a freight car where they had the platforms into the cars where the brakemen go up to the brake, but I really couldn't tell. That's probably everything, but see a lot in this one. Again, you never know what you're going to find. I wasn't expecting much, but obviously I saw more than I thought I was going to see. Telegraph pole, the ground, ties, and plates, an old rail. Alright, anyway, we didn't get to the bridge about, but if I could find a picture of it somewhere, I'll stick it in the video somewhere. I know I must have one somewhere. I've been there. But anyway, thanks for coming along. Share, like, subscribe, comment. If you come here, remember, it's only open as a courtesy to people. Respect it, keep it clean, don't do anything stupid, and it'll stay open, otherwise it'll be closed. And it's a nice trail to walk on. Alright, away with Walker, away with Woofer. We are signing off. As I said, thanks for coming along with us, and we will see you next time. Get outside and enjoy the fresh air, the woods, old rail trails, your backyard.